Okay guys, your boy is back, and in today's tutorial your boy will be showing you how you can get FC points and gems all in your FC Mobile 26 game, guys, unlimited and free. Follow each and every step that your boy implemented and you'll be having tons of FC points and tons of gems. Okay guys, open up your FC Mobile 26 game and wait for loads up. I urgently need FC points and gems and play my game like never before and buy any player in the game. Okay, everything is perfect right now. Wait for loads up, guys. Okay, nothing's happening right now. Maybe if I go to the store. Oh my god, guys, as you can see, 500,000 FC points, unlimited gems, all in my account right now. Follow each and every step that your boy implemented and you'll be having all of this. First step is open up your browser. Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type your address right here, appspatch.com, and search your game or any app from the list. Oh my god, I find FC Mobile 26 and enter your username. Guys, enter correct username or email in your FC Mobile 26 game or account, of course. Give me a second and choose your platform. I select iOS, but working perfectly for both Android and iOS devices. And a very fun step, select your gems and select your FC points. I select maximum, why not, and wait for loads up. And guys, don't use VPN, it might not work, just use home Wi-Fi running good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. Okay guys, there it is, resources successfully sent, which means that in about 2 minutes you can go back to your FC Mobile 26 game and check your resources. Now I saw some people on Discord group that after it is being loaded, they have some device verification step. Make sure that you're complete that, because sometimes they ask you to complete that, but right after you complete that, you're going to have free unlimited FC points and gems sent to your account, as you can see to my personal account. So that is exactly how to get FC Mobile 26 unlimited gems and unlimited FC points for absolutely free. Comment your username in your comments, because I give away FC Mobile gifts every day. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my phenomenal channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.